Binni received a letter. What's inside? Dear Binni, the Great Pyramid awaits. Can you solve its secrets and find the treasure of knowledge? Wow! These are over 4,000 years old. I wonder how they built them without machines. The pyramids were built with giant stones, pulled by workers using ramps. Binni find a secret door by solving a simple riddle. What's this? I am tall when I am young, short when I am old. What am I? A candle? They studied the stars to align the pyramids perfectly with the north. Isn't that smart? Wow! They were like scientists of their time. This is how they used lights to brighten the dark pyramid rooms. These are canopic jars. The Egyptian believes in preserving parts of the body for the afterlife. Oh, I am glad they didn't preserve carrots for the afterlife. Knowledge is the greatest treasure of all. Explore, learn, and share with others. Kairo gives Binni a miniature pyramid as a gift. This will remind you of today's adventure. Binni waves goodbye, promising to share his discoveries with his friends. Did you know that? The Great Pyramid was the tallest structure in the world for over 3,800 years. Isn't that cool? See you next time for more adventures.